In Ecuador, traditional non-petroleum exports experienced considerable success in 2014. Ecuadorian products, well known for their quality in international markets, include banana, shrimp, cacao, broccoli, flowers, and coffee. According to Ecuador's Federation of Exporters, non-petroleum exports experienced an increase of 17% last year from the same period in 2013.
We believe that non-petroleum exports are really productive mainstay of the country. We are talking about a sector that generates in non-petroleum exports directly about 1.3 million jobs that involves more than 2,600 businesses.
Agricultural goods experienced the greatest increase, while industries such as textiles remained stagnant. Javier Diaz of Ecuador's Association of Industrial Textiles believes that his sector will become increasingly key in government's priorities in its efforts to diversify its traditionally oil-based economy.
We are an industry that generates many of the things that the government is seeking to generate through diversification. We generate added value, we generate productive binds, we can improve exports, we can substitute imports. You can say that we are a sector that works perfectly to diversify the economy.
While exports to the divided blocs and countries of China, the Middle East, and Asia rose significantly in the past year, exports to Europe and Russia declined by 15% and 5%. With total exports of $10.3 billion last year, Ecuador is looking to continue promoting its non-petroleum exports in international markets and further diversify its economy. Liz Scherfius, Telesur, Ecuador.